Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Listen to that crunch. Not only do these lamb lung treats from Dog Chits make my pup happy, but they also give her added nutrients that she needs as she gets older. My sweet doggo is going on 11 years and her stomach is getting a little sensitive. She's actually getting a little picky about her treats, but she gets all excited when she sees her bag of lamb lung treats. She loves the light and crispy texture, and I love that they're easy for her to chew and digest. They have a unique texture, and because they're made of pure lamb lung, they're packed with protein, which is something that my sweet pup needs at her age. I also love that these are easy to break apart. So if you have a smaller dog or you're training a puppy, these break down nicely into smaller pieces. They come in a resealable bag so they stay fresh and tasty for your pet. This company also offers the choice of lamb or bison lung, and you can choose between a 6-ounce bag or a 10-ounce bag. I have the 10-ounce of lamb, but I'm very interested in trying the bison as well. So if you're looking for a nutritious and tasty treat for your furry friend, then I think you're going to love these lamb lung dog treats from Dog Chits. And that's my point of view.